Hello, my name is Max Samuels, and I'm a student at the County College of Morris. For the last 2 years, I've been in the Mech Tech and Industrial Design programs. And this here is my 3D printer. As you can see from my general lack of a haircut, it's still the whole coronavirus thing. My 3D printer here, myself, and the rest of my compatriots at CCM Engineering, as well as the administration, have been 3D printing over 1,000 National Institute of Health face shields to help local hospitals in need. The thing I really like about CCM is that they're always trying to help people, whether it be the local community, its students, its alumni, its professors, just everyone. They're always trying to help. I gotta say, CCM, they just make me happy.